Making good measurements is difficult. This procedure will help develop good measurement practices. When this protocol is followed, the VNAs will debug and characterize RF devices and systems with precision. VNAs are the most accurate way to measure an RF device or system. The theory behind this technique is well established, and following this protocol will provide consistent and repeatable results. Demonstrating the procedure will be Savio Tran, a colleague from my laboratory.
Before initiating a measurement, gather all of the components of the propagation measurement system, including the cables, amplifiers, filters, devices under test, and other relevant components. Note that female standards, which have an insertable port for the male port on the cable, will be used in this calibration. At least a half an hour before the measurement, turn on the VNA and press the preset button. Visually inspect all of the cables and connectors for obvious signs of wear, such as nicks, dents, and imperfect connector threads, and clean the connectors on all of the devices and cable ends. Before their connection, align the VNA cables with ports 1 and 2 and the device under test, and tighten the connected cables by hand. If little to no resistance is felt, tighten with a 12-inch pounds torque wrench for Type N connections. To set the VNA frequency range, open the stimulus menu and select Frequency. Set the start frequency to 1700 MHz and the stop frequency to 1900 MHz. To set the measurement type, select Response, Measure, and S21.